Hey Jasmine,
Yeah.
touch this one here. Do you like that one?
No.
No? Okay, go the other side. How about that one?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
So that one's better? Alright guys, here we go. Check this out. See how that headlight lens are really bad? It's just been to a different weather and winter, summer, rain, hot, cold. It just weatherized so bad. Look at the lens. Okay, remember that. And then if you look in this side, look, wow, that looks amazing. Check it out. Compare them together, you can tell one is really nice, clean, and the other one is really bad. All you need to do is a couple things. Look at the result of that. So what I use first is down here, this is all my equipment and my product that I use. So of course you use 180 grit sandpaper. Work on that for like, who knows, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and after that you move on to 216, or you can go like 300 if you want. Work on that for 10-15 minutes, and then the last one, stage 3, is 1500 grit of wet sandpaper. So you use wet water, sand it down, 20 minutes, elbow grease, just work up and down, swirl kind of motion when you work on the lens. Like line like this, left and right, is kind of bad because you'll see a really bad streak line like this one right here. But man, compare this side to the other side, I would go on the right side. It's just really nice. I thought I had to spend money to buy brand new headlamps because of that condensation and weathered out lens. So after sanding, I got this buffer here, a thick pads. Bought this from eBay, Amazon. I mean, there's 6 of them in the package. This is really thick, and this is a soft one. So you start with the thick one, and what I use is Smart Wax. This is what I use. We sell this at my work. Really good product. So this is what I use first. Swirl remover and scratches. It's a medium. When you touch the product, it feels like sandy. So it's like a medium texture to it. Not like smooth, not like really rough. It's a little bit sandy. You know, that's what we want. Medium grade of sand. And what I use on that is I use this to buff it 3-4 times, and then after that I use this Smart Wax. It's the Carnauba polish and shine protection, and this is the last stage that you had to do, and you use the soft pads on that one. So it's kind of like from rough, and then you work on the soft after. So that's it guys, look at the result. I'll be working on the other side and gonna show you how to do that. But what we have here is Jassy. Hey, where you been? Where'd you go? To the park. Nice. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna sign out the video and everybody say bye.
Bye-bye.
And I'll see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching.